Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, yes, open your English textbook, page number 31. Yes. So, in the last class, we have learned about Helen Keller. Yes, who was Helen Keller? Yes, Helen Keller was the name of a girl. Yes, she was not able to see and hear. Yes, children. So everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say was, "There is nothing more we can do." Yes, but Helen lived, and she was not same her after her illness. Yes, yes, children. She was not able to see or hear. So children, Helen could not hear or see after the illness. Yes. So everybody says that why don't you just send her away? But her mother, yes children, but Helen's mother did not agree with them. Yes. She disagreed with them and she said that Helen was a smart girl. Yes. Helen was a smart girl. Who said that Helen was a smart girl, children? Yes, her mother said yes that हेलन वॉज अ स्मार्ट गर्ल. तो बाकी के जो लोग होते हैं वो क्या बोलते हैं? यस, अभी तो आफ्टर इलनेस हेलन क्या कर सकती है? ना तो देख सकती है ना सुन सकती है, तो आप उसे कुछ स्पेशल स्कूल्स में क्यों नहीं डाल देते? बट जो हेलन की मदर है वो डिसएग्रीड करती है. नो, शी सेड दैट हेलन वॉज अ स्मार्ट गर्ल. शी वॉज वाइल्ड ऑफन एंग्री विद her, but she was very smart, she said. Yes. So Helen was born in Alabama in the summer of 1880. Yes children, what we have learned in the last class, let's recall, then we will continue with the next part of the story. Okay, so children, in the last class we have learned that Helen was born in Alabama in the summer of 1880. Yes, and Helen could not hear or see after the illness. So Miss Sullivan helped Helen by making letters with a special hand signs. So children, what is mean by special hand signs? So the blind persons use the special hand signs. So let me show you how. So children, see some pictures. Yes, you can see they use some special hand signs. Yes, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. यस, ये जो खुरदरा हुआ क्या करते हैं बच्चों, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ लिखा होता है, मतलब ऐसा कुछ खुरदरा होता है जिसे उन्हें टच करके फील करके वो क्या करते हैं? लिखना और पढ़ना जानते हैं. ओके, लिखना और पढ़ना क्या करते हैं? लर्न करते हैं. यहाँ पे आप देखो. यस, हाउ दे लर्न, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. यस चिल्ड्रन, दिस आर द सम स्पेशल हैंड साइंस, मीन्स स्पेशल. हियर चिल्ड्रन सी, these are called special hand signs, children, because the blind persons can't able to see or can't able to hear, then how they will learn? Yes, तो फिर वो कैसे सीखेंगे पढ़ना और लिखना? Yes, so these are the some special hand signs. By this they learn how to read and write. Okay, so वो क्या करते हैं, कैसे लिखना है कैसे पढ़ना है वो इस साइन से सीखते हैं, इन्हें टच करके फील करके. So here children see. Yes, so how they learn? Yes children, they learn like this. So children, see some pictures how they learn. Yes, वो क्या करते हैं, ऐसे टच करके, ऐसे जो ये रहते हैं उसे फील करके, ऐसे ऐसे फील करके वो क्या करते हैं? पढ़ना और लिखना सीखते हैं. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, like that also Helen, her parents thought they should find a teacher for her. So Miss Sullivan is a teacher of Helen Keller, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Yes, Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. D-O-L-L spells doll. So Miss Sullivan spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand, and she made the letters with special hand signs like that. You can see here. Yes children, so she made. Who made? Yes, Miss Sullivan made the letters with special hand signs. You can see here, these are the some called as special hand signs. So Helen copied her teacher and spelled doll too, but she did not understand what she was doing. Yes, she was feeling and she was writing, but she was not understanding what it is. Yes, she did not know that she was spelling a word or even that word existed. So Helen liked Miss Sullivan, then she was strict but kind. In the days that followed, Helen learned to spell in this way. Yes, you can see in this picture. Yes, in this way Helen Keller also learned to spell the word. Yes, in this way a great many words, among them were pin, hat, cup, and few verbs like sit, stand, walk, Yes, she learned, but her teacher had been with her several weeks before she understood that everything had a name. So one day her teacher made Helen put her hand into a running water. Okay, so now children, let's continue the story. Okay, so here look at this picture, how they learn. They learn reading and writing through this special hand signs. Okay, here children, you can see. Yes. So now children, let's continue the story. So one day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. So one day what happened, children? Do you know? So children, do you know one day what happened? Miss Sullivan, one day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Okay, running water means बहता हुआ पानी में वो क्या करती है, मिस सुलिवन हेलन केलर का हाथ वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, इसे डालती हैं. ओके, उसको महसूस होता है पानी का बहाव, उसको महसूस होता है किसको, हेलन को. देन शी स्पेल्ट वाटर. सडनली हेलन अंडरस्टूड दैट वाटर मीन्स समथिंग वेट. तो वो क्या करती है, वो स्पेल करती है वाटर. फिर उसको सडनली उसको समझ में आता है कि वाटर मीन्स वाटर, वाटर क्या होता है, वेट. वेट मीन्स गीला. ओके, हंसी. वाटर मीन्स व्हाट, गीला. तो उसको थोड़े दिन बाद समझ में आता है कि वाटर क्या होता है, वेट होता है. रनिंग ओवर हर हैंड. शी अंडरस्टूड दैट वर्ड्स वेर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. हु अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? यस, हेलन केलर अंडरस्टूड दैट the words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Yes, वो कुछ भी जानना चाहती है. Words are very important, children. If you don't know any words, then how will you speak? How will you talk? Or how will you express your feeling? Yes, so she understood that words are most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. So Helen learned 30 words that day. Okay, so at that day Helen learned how many words, children? Helen learned totally 30 words, like mother, father, sister, teacher were among them words. Yes, that were to make the word blossom for her. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen as she lay in her bed at the close of that eventful day. She thought about the joys it had brought her and for the first time longed for a new day to come. Yes, children. So what we have learned, children? Yes, we have learned that. Yes, children, what we have learned? We have learned Miss Sullivan helped Helen by making letters with special hand signs. So children, let's see how. So children, see here. Yes, so Miss Sullivan, a teacher, helped Helen by making letters with special hand signs. So children, Helen understood. Yes, Helen understood that water means something wet. Yes, जैसे वो पानी को हाथ लगाती है, जैसे उसका बहता हुआ पानी उसके हाथों पे आता है तो समझ जाती है कि पानी क्या होता है, गीला होता है. She understood that water means something wet and running over her hand. So Helen's mother said these words. Yes, she was talking about her daughter. Isn't it, children? So children, Miss Sullivan was a straight but a kind person. Yes. So Helen understood that words were the most important things in the world. So children, tell me, who understood that the words were the most important things in the world? Yes, Helen understood that the words are the most important things in the world. So Helen's word would blossom because she would be able to understand and communicate. Yes, we are able to communicate, but she is not able to communicate before. Yes, when she learned these words, these new words and its meaning, she would blossom because she would be able to understand and communicate. Yes, children, the teacher Miss Sullivan brought the light of knowledge into Helen's mind and brought the light of love into the heart. Isn't it, children? जो मिस सुलिवन है वो क्या करते हैं, हेलन की ज़िंदगी में एक नई रोशनी लेके आते हैं, एक न्यू नॉलेज लेके आते हैं. यस, उसका जो माइंड है उसको ओपन करते हैं. यस, शी ब्राउट द लाइट ऑफ द लव एंड हर हार्ट. Yes, this is a very beautiful story. So children, only one para is left. We will continue in next class. Okay. So this is a very beauty inspiring story, children. Yes, हमें कभी भी हार नहीं मानना चाहिए. Yes, we should not be afraid of anything. Yes, children. So हमें क्या करनी चाहिए, एफर्ट करना चाहिए, कोशिश करती रहनी चाहिए. Yes, this is very inspiring story of Helen Keller. Isn't it, children? So the next part we will continue in our next class. So children, only one para has left. Okay, so only two. So here this is over, so only two para has left. So in the next class we will discuss. So children, what you have to do, read this story 3 times. Okay, so write its meaning of a difficult word and write about Helen and Keller. Okay, so this is the homework. So till then, stay home, stay safe. The next we will continue in our next class. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.